Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can generate images using Google Flow Beta. First of all, make sure that you've already installed this Google Flow Beta app. Once done, launch it. It will ask you to sign in. If you do not have an account, you may go ahead and sign up. As you do that, you will see Google Flow Beta and your account itself. On the project, it's blank now, but let's go ahead and add a new one. So simply tap on New and simply give your prompt. You can mention what you would prefer to make an image and make sure image is selected and not the video. And as you do that, send the prompt by tapping on this arrow button right here. Now, as you can see that I have just created this team of football players wearing black jersey. That was my exact prompt. And you can see how clear and how realistic this image looks like. If you would like to edit your image, tap on Edit as well and give the changes that you would prefer. And likewise, if you want to do other things, let's say animate, you can do that as well by tapping on Animate. And thank you for watching.